Differences between introduction and background of the study. Introduction versus background of the study. Introduction only gives an overview that should end with your research questions, aims, and objectives, whereas your background should not, except in some cases where your background is integrated into your introduction. Whereas, background of the study discusses in depth and context about the topic and explains how it leads up to the research problem. The purpose of introduction is to provide an overview of the research topic and establish its significance. Whereas, the purpose of the study background is to emphasizes the significance of the study. The aim of introduction is to engage the reader and create interest in the research. Whereas, the aim of background of the study is to address, sets the stage for the research question and objectives, and highlights the significance of the research. Introduction provides just an overview of the research topic. Whereas, background of the study discusses more broadly about the topic. Introduction is not a part or subset of background of the study. Whereas, background of the study is a part or subset of the introduction. Elements of introduction are background, outlines of key issues, thesis statement, aims and purpose and definition of key terms and concepts. Whereas, elements of background of the study are presenting relevant theories, concepts, and existing knowledge related to the research problem. Introduction mainly involves by giving the reader background and context to convey the importance of your research. Whereas, background of the study mainly involves introducing the broad area of research and narrowing it down to the problem at hand in a short and concise way. Introduction should begin by broadly introducing your topic, then narrowing to your focused research question or hypothesis. Whereas, background of the study should begin by defining the problem that your research will address. Tell the reader why the problem is worth your attention and is also worth theirs. Introduction is the beginning section of a research proposal. It introduces the general area of study, highlights the research problem or question, and sets the context for the research. Whereas, background section expands on the introduction by providing more in-depth information about the research topic by presenting relevant theories, concepts, and existing knowledge related to the research problem. Introduction gives your readers the background information they need to understand your topic, and it helps them see why your research is important. Whereas, background of the study can help the reader understand the historical, theoretical, and practical aspects of the research area. It also highlights any gaps or limitations in the existing knowledge that the proposed study aims to address. In short, introduction is at the beginning of a text and can mainly introduces the main text to the readers. Whereas, background of the study sets the context, provides justification for, and highlights the significance of your research. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.